Hello, dear listeners. Hope you all are well. So, dear listeners, yesterday we have read the very interesting story, The Ostrich and the Hedgehog. Today I am going to discuss the exercise of this story. D3, which I have already done. On the basis of your reading the story, complete the following statements. These are the statements, and on the basis of reading the story, we will complete these statements. Number one beautiful morning, a hedgehog met an ostrich. He met an ostrich. Number two, the ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because he did not like hedgehog. Number three, it was decided to run the race at midday because hedgehog wanted to go back home. It was decided to run the race at midday because hedgehog wanted to go back home. Number four, every time the ostrich reached the end of the barley row, he found a hedgehog. Next one, the hedgehogs at the end of barley rows were actually the original hedgehog's relatives. They are relatives of hedgehog. The hedgehogs at the end of the barley rows were actually the original hedgehog's relatives. Sixth, the last hedgehog was fresh and smiling because he did not run. Because the hedgehog did not run. 7. On the other hand, the ostrich was tired and had so fit because he had run. So dear student, we have complete the sentences. Exercise D3. Now I am going to discuss exercise D4. The story brings out different characteristics of the ostrich and the hedgehog. Draw lines to match their qualities. These are the qualities written here. Now you will match with the ostrich and the hedgehog. Proud. Who was proud in the story? Hedgehog. Now foolish. Who was foolish? Yes, ostrich was very foolish. Clever. Who was clever in this story? Yes, it's hedgehog. Fast. The ostrich was very fast. Cheerful. Who was cheerful in the story? Hedgehog. And sulky. Who was sulky in this story? It's ostrich. Now, dear student, we have done exercise D4. Now, I'm going to discuss exercise D5, that is, find word from the story which means the same as the following, which is given on page number 22. You will write this answer on page number 22. A seed plant, that is barley plant. You will write barley plant on page number 22. Border means edge. Number 3, short and thick. It's stumpy. Stumpy means short and thick. Noon, midday. Noon means midday. Long steps. Long strides. Long stride means long step. Pain from injury. Sore, S-O-R-E, sore. So here we complete the exercise D5. Now D6, use the above word to fill in the blanks. With the help of these words, we will complete our exercise D. These are fill in the blanks, which I am going to explain here. Use the above word to fill the blanks. The baby sleep from dash to evening. The answer is midday. The baby sleeps from midday to evening. The next, the boy was standing at the dash of the mountain. The answer is edge. The boy was standing at the edge of the mountain. Number 3, Ravi saw a dash field in the village. The answer is barley. Ravi saw a barley field in the village. Number 4, after the fight, the boxer had dash muscles. That's sore. Number 5, the giant took long dash to catch the naughty dove. It striped means long strap. So here we have done the exercise D6. Now I'm going to discuss D8 and D7. What will you do? This is your work. Imagine that you are the hedgehog. In a short paragraph, describe how you foolish to ostrich. That you will describe by yourself. Now I'm going to discuss D8. Value-based question. What lesson do you learn from the story? Choose from the following. Number 1, we should not look down upon other. Yes, we learn this thing. We should never look down upon other. Number 2, we should make fool of other. Should we make fool of other? No, we should never make fool of other. Now, it is important to be clever. Yes, sometimes it is very important to be clever. We should love our family. Yes, we should always love our family. So here we have done exercise DA. Now D9, find picture of your favorite animal. Look in book, magazine and encyclopedia. Prepare a mask of an animal you like with the help of this picture. You may use button, stiff cards, yarn and other material to make it. So dear student, this is your activity which you will do, and you will use button, stiff cards, yarn, and you will make a mask of an animal, and after that you will paste this mark on your English notebook. You can draw it. If you want to draw it, you can draw it. अगर आपको इसको ड्रॉ करना है तो आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हो, और अगर आपको बना के उस पर पेस्ट करना है तो आप उसको बना के भी पेस्ट कर सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू. और प्लीज़ डोंट गो आउटसाइड टू बाय थिंग्स टू मेक दिस. घर पे जो भी पुरानी चीज़ें हैं उन्हीं की हेल्प से आप कोई भी फेवरेट कैरेक्टर अपनी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, और उसे पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.